Hi, this is Kripka Prasad and my register number is UR15CS220. Today I am going to write a C++ driven program to find the area and perimeter of different shapes like circle, rectangle, square, cube, triangle using the concept of function overloading. So let's see this program. So here is the program hash include iostream is the header file in this program, and using namespace std is the standard function, and then these are all the variables that I am going to use in my program. So I am declaring each of them in this out of the main loop, and then int area, float area. So I am declaring each and every uh, variable that is needed for me. And here is the program. From here main program will start, and then the variable symbols I am declaring here. So there's int s, l, b, a, i, j, k, and float type of r, p, s, h, t, and so these are all of int data type, and these three are of float data type. And then from here it is a s out and a c out and c in statements are called. So c out statement is used to print on the display screen, and the c in statement is used to take that particular value. So here it is asking to enter the side of a square, and also length and breadth of the rectangle, radius of the circle, base and height of the triangle, side of the triangle, and the side of the cube. So eventually at the same time these were recording according to these um, um, data types, these values will be taken inside by using the cin statements. And then see again the last cout. These are all used to print the output from these formulas. So area of the perimeter of the square is an area and area and perimeter of the rectangle, area and perimeter of the cube. So like that ways the output will be taken. And then int area into s, return s into s, into area into l into b, and then return l into b. So these are all the in statements, and these are all the formulas which will be written after the process completed. And again also these are formulas to find the area and the perimeter of the particular shapes according to their values. So finally return statement will be called, and let's compare and see the program run or not. So it is asking to enter the side of the triangle square. So I'll give the values. I'm giving square size is 2, and then length and breadth of the rectangle I will give 2 and 3. Radius of the circle I am giving 4, and the base and height of the triangle I am giving base as 3, 2, and height as 3. Enter side of the triangle, so I am giving 2, 3, 4. Enter the sides of a cube, so I am entering them as 5. So area of and perimeter of square and perimeter of triangle, perimeter of circle, so everything has been printed successfully. So thank you.